Hi guys, my name is Omid and this is Raymond, and we have another mock test today. If you can please, Raymond, just tell me a bit about your driving experience. How much driving experience do you have?
Quite limited actually. I just started learning how to drive.
Okay.
So
How many hours roughly?
like close to 30.
30 hours,
Yeah.
okay. Any of those hours have been driving lessons?
Yeah,
How many of them?
all of them.
Oh, really? Okay, 30 hours of driving lesson. Okay, perfect. And you said your test is next month,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, cool. And have you driven Suzuki Swift before?
No, it's been Toyota Corolla.
Toyota
The
Corolla.
small one, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, slightly bigger and distance. Suzuki Swift a bit smaller, so the controls are exactly the same, right? The indicator and the wiper and all that.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so before we start, I'll just ask you about two of the car controls. If you can please show me how you activate your wipers. Okay, perfect. And how do you activate your hazard light? Beautiful. Okay, cool. Your seat and your mirrors are all adjusted, right?
Yeah, they look good to me.
Okay, cool. And
They're pretty sensitive, right?
yeah, so but you get used to it after driving a bit. All right, so same as other mock tests, we just go for half an hour drive roughly, more or less, and I'll just give you directions. I use hand gestures as well. Second traffic lights, 10 right, intersection 10 left, follow my hand, and if there is an instruction that is not clear, ask me, I repeat again.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to ask you to do anything illegal, so no tricking. The same thing happens in the real test as well.
Yeah.
And in residential areas at intersections, if I don't give you any instructions, just straight through. Traffic lights, if there is no instructions, straight through.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Anytime you're ready, we get started and we just move forward.
Yeah.
Okay, the second traffic lights, we 10 left. Yeah.
Second traffic light.
Second traffic lights. Yeah. During the driving test, when the examiner asks you to turn left at the second traffic lights and you are in the middle lane, try to change lanes to the left safely to position yourself correctly for the turn. Raymond could have changed lanes right here, but he kept driving in the middle lane. This can cause a problem if the road is busy and other cars move into the left lane before you, preventing you from changing lanes. So yeah, these lights here, we turn left. This test was at 8:30 a.m. on a Friday. The school zone timings in Queensland are usually from 7 to 9 a.m. and 2 to 4 p.m. That means Raymond should slow down for the school zone during this mock driving test. Raymond is aware of this and watches the speed through the school zone. Perfect. At the very end of this road we turn left. So here we are driving on the main road and this car is approaching a giveaway sign from the left side. We had an unnecessary brake here for that car. Make sure while driving you notice the line markings on the road, and if you have the right of way, don't brake unnecessarily for other cars. The school zone starts when you reach the school zone sign, this one, and finishes when you pass a different speed limit sign. For example, 60. If you see more school zone signs after the first one, it doesn't mean that you have passed the school zone. It simply means that you are still in the school zone, so watch your speed. Here we drove over 40 while still in the school zone. This is the critical driving error. Okay, at the traffic lights up here we go right. When you are turning right at traffic lights and you don't see any right arrows but just a green circular light, that means you share this light with cars on the other side of the traffic lights. You can turn right, but you need to give way to cars coming straight through or turning left if there is no slip lane for the left turn. Here we turned quickly in front of this car, which was coming straight and was not too far away. Failing to follow the giveaway rules is a critical driving error. The speed limit on this road is 60, as you noticed the sign earlier. There are no cars in front of us whatsoever and weather conditions are perfect. So we need to keep up with the speed limit of the area, but we are driving too slowly for the situation. Okay, we turn left. When we turn right, Raymond, let's turn left at that intersection.
This one, right?
Just one right there, yeah. Okay, and at the end of this road, very top, we turn left. Okay. When one lane splits into two lanes, you can pick either lane you prefer. For example, you can take the left lane or the right lane. If you want to take the left lane, check your left mirror and then move to the left lane. If you want to take the right lane, check your right mirror and then move to the right lane. Here we moved to the left lane without checking our left mirror. Here we want to turn left at the end of this road, but there is a driveway to this busy shopping center. We should pass this driveway and then immediately indicate left for the turn. Indicating too early may confuse other drivers as to where you plan to go. And when we turn left, Raymond, we turn right at the next traffic lights, yeah. Sure. For every turn, we need to slow down. How slow? It depends on how sharp the turn is. Our turn speed should be reasonably slow for the situation. Here we are turning way too slowly at these lights. Driving and turning too slowly on the main road can annoy the drivers behind us and cause them to do something reckless. Traffic lights up there, we go right. Okay. Can you please turn left here, Raymond? Second intersection, be 10 right. This one here, yeah. Okay, let's try a U-turn at the end of this road, Raymond. For every U-turn, we need to indicate right. When indicating right, the car must travel to the right direction as well. That's what the indicator means. You signal to other drivers which direction you are about to go. Here we indicated right, but we moved to the left side of the road at the start of the U-turn. That's a markdown for road positioning. Can we try on the black car a reverse parallel parking?
This one?
This one, yeah. You can have one forward movement too if you need to, yeah. Okay, great. Anytime you're ready, we get back to the road again. Okay. When giving way to other vehicles at the end of a T intersection with no lines, like this one here, draw an imaginary line connecting the edges of the curbs and stop as close as possible to that imaginary line. Here you are stopped too far back. When you stop too far back, you can't see the main road clearly and you can't decide when is the right time to keep moving again. So we are driving in this lane and it turns into a road shoulder after the traffic lights. We need to change lanes to the right to avoid driving on the road shoulder. Raymond didn't realize that, so I had to prompt him to change lanes to the right. Also, when changing lanes, we usually don't need to slow down. We braked here, causing the car behind us to brake as well. I had to intervene by pushing the accelerator to get us out of that situation and prevent interrupting the flow of traffic. Any physical or verbal intervention by the driving examiner during the driving test results in an immediate fail. Okay, at the traffic lights, we go right. Okay, Raymond, here we have 2 lanes on that road when we turn right, yeah? Yep. Let's take the left lane. Left lane? Yeah, go straight to the left lane, yeah? Stay on the left lane. Okay, so at those lights we turn left.
Where the red car's turning.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
We can pull over somewhere here. Okay, cool. We can turn on the indicator as well. What do you think, Raymond?
I think it was okay.
Okay, so it wouldn't be a pass. I'll talk you through this. You're a bit overcautious, Raymond. Yeah. Okay, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you, and see you in the next video.